Hello, class. Today is Wednesday, November the 11th, 2020. And today we're going to continue working on probability. Here is your do now for today. At this moment, go ahead and pause the video and take a few minutes to complete the problem on this slide. Learning objective for today. Here, scholars will be able to make predictions and determine solutions using theoretical probability for simple and compound events. Directive of learning. Given 4 problems, Hill scholars will be able to solve them with a minimum of 75% accuracy. Today's I do. A bag contains 2 blue tiles, 3 red tiles, and 5 yellow tiles. If a tile is drawn from the bag and replaced 20 times, what is the reasonable prediction that the tile will be yellow? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and annotate. I know that I have 2 blue, 3 red, and 5 yellow for a total of 10. Let me write this on. A total of 10 tiles. Now, I am looking for a yellow tile. I have 2 blue, 3 red, and 5 yellow. Therefore, my favorable outcome that I get a yellow will be 5 out of 10, which I can go ahead and simplify that by dividing both the top and the bottom by 5. 5 divided by 5 gives me 1, and 10 divided by 5 gives me 2. So then my probability of drawing a yellow tile is 1 out of 2, or also a 50% possibility. Okay? But I can leave it as a fraction, or I can do it as a percentage. But again, what they're asking me is not the probability of getting a yellow tile by doing it 2 times, which is 1 out of 2. They wanted me to predict how many times I would draw a yellow tile if I actually do it 20 times. So I know for a fact that my simple probability is 1 out of 2. But if I were to predict how many times I would get a yellow if I repeated it 20 times, I would have to set up a proportion. And once I set up my proportion, I would do cross multiplication, which would give me 2x. 1 times 2 is 20. Next step would be I've got a one-step equation, and I'm multiplying the variable by the coefficient of 2. So I want to get rid of the coefficient. So 2 divided by 2 gives me 1x, and 20 divided by 2 gives me 10. So that would be my answer. If I were to predict how many times I would draw a yellow tile, if I were to do it 20 times, then 10 would be my prediction. 10. Okay. Make sure you write down the notes, write down the steps on your paper. So everybody should have their paper and pencil out, and you should be writing every single step. Okay. Once you've completed writing the steps over this problem, I need you to go ahead and move over to the we do. Now you might want to take a few minutes and try and see if you can figure it out on your own before you actually come back as a class and complete it with your teacher. Again, thank you and have a wonderful day.